doing a quick video here to show everybody how our program works to allow us to automatically give you guys control to uninstall or install approved programs. I'm going to show you how that works. So right now I want to install an older version of something. So I'm here in Add Remove Programs, and I'm going to find the product. You have to be on the internet for this, by the way. And I'm going to go ahead and click uninstall. Your screen will go dark for a second. We'll come back. You will get a message like this. It basically confirms what it is, said you're trying to run, and it basically asks you if this is correct. When you hit yes, our team will receive a ticket and messages to allow this to happen. If we approve it, you won't necessarily get a message right away. If you needed to, you can check with the help desk or whatnot. But if it's not something urgent, go ahead and do this. We will go ahead and approve it. What happens, and I'll kind of quick this, if you know that it's already been done, you can try it again, and what'll happen is it'll kind of go and find out, and you'll actually get two messages here. What you'll get is your request is going to be approved. So two things are happening here. It's saying your request can be approved and launched in the future without further approval. This would happen if you knew you had approval and it took up to 15 minutes before it came back. In this case, you could just hit OK, it would launch it, and you'd be good to go. In this case, since I forced it, I want to hit later because, as you can see, it already launched the install. So I'm just going to click later. Hitting OK would just have launched the install anyway. And basically, we have different approvals. We can do one time, the whole company. And if we approve something for the whole company, like a line of business app you may use, it will launch in the future after we have one approval because we realize it's something everyone needs or an update. So again, I'm going to say later now. Go ahead and click on install. And now the installation or uninstallation goes on as you want it to.